This is how to create an infinite run cycle of your character animation imported from Mixamo. So I applied this running animation and then we'll go ahead and download it. So we can go ahead and import our model. So we import as FBX. We want to turn on automatic bone orientation. And here you see the character is running but stops after some frames. So in order to make this a continuous run cycle, what we do is you go into your graph editor and then we want to zoom in and you select all these other lines except from this one. You select the rest, right click, extrapolation mode, make cycling, and you see he keeps running. And then for this blue one, we want to right click, extrapolation mode, change it to linear extrapolation, and the character keeps running. There's another way you can go about this. Let me delete the character import again. So with the character imported again, if you select everything and right click, you right click over here, extrapolation, make cyclic, you see that it's not a continuous run cycle. Then you can select this part, the blue ones, you right click, your extrapolation mode, you make linear extrapolation, and then you go with repeat with offset under your modifiers. You can't see these modifiers, press N and it will show it, and then you repeat with offset and it will cause the same effect. So there you have it. I hope you found this helpful. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.